man. But I'm gonna end it with some mochi ice cream in bed. Biggie's parents have the girls, so this is the thing from my mom yesterday. Did I even say hi in this vlog? Hello. Get the upgrade, man. Oh yeah. Today's been a very eventful day, but Erze made our bed. I came back from shower and she made the bed, or she fixed the blanket. And we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna go to sleep. I'll bring you guys along tomorrow because it's gonna be another eventful day. We actually have parties tomorrow.
We finally gonna go to the crop.
I know, finally. And tomorrow was supposed to be Ida's birthday party, but we'll talk more about it tomorrow. That it was friggin' canceled. So today I kind of failed at vlogging, but tomorrow we'll do better. We're watching Stacy. So I am editing and I realized that I didn't explain Leia's party. Basically, our flea infestation that I talked about prior in a different video when we got our new mattress. It was still here, but only in our backyard. And then we planned on having our bouncer and our slides set up on the side of our house, so like the side of the yard. And I just didn't want to deal with kids if they got eaten or bitten up by fleas. So that was the reason why I canceled it. And then I went ahead and did everything at my baby shower, because today is, this is how late I'm editing. Today is friggin' the 12th. Today is February 12th, so it's really late. And then, so the rest of Leia's party things that I did, like her decorations, I made her like a little area at my baby shower. I did not vlog my baby shower. I brought my camera. My camera was only at 5%, but my friend did record us opening all our gifts. But I didn't vlog at my baby shower, which really sucks, but I didn't. But I had all Elia's party things there for setting up. And I had her just like a little section there. And then for the baby shower invites, like when I sent them out, I resent them out to the same people, saying that if they got Elia a gift, if they already bought Elia a gift for her birthday party, they could just bring it to my baby shower because we were gonna have something there for her. And me and Leaky ended up opening up her gifts. She was not interested in opening up her gifts. But yeah, I just want to say that because I did not say it. And I know this vlog, if you keep watching, I don't even show we went to a party each day and I didn't even show it. I'm sorry, I'm sucking at vlogging. I'm getting better. February is the day. It's the month. So it is super late. It's like past 11. The girls are knocked out. But I seen Leaky's cousin's girlfriend, who is also pregnant. She got strawberry shortcake ice cream, but she got the chocolate one, but I don't care for chocolate, you know, so strawberry for me. And I told Leaky that I really wanted it, so before he came home, but he left, he went to his friend's house, but he dropped it off. He dropped me off too, but I really thought he was gonna give me a hard time because earlier today we went, I wouldn't say grocery shopping, we went snack shopping because I just wanted snacks, you know. Can't even see my stomach. But I bought like 4 or 5 boxes of mochi ice cream. So I thought he was going to tell me to just eat that if I want ice cream. But no, he came through. Probably the only reason why he got this, to be honest, is because he's going out after he just went out. So he went out, came back home, and then went out again. So I feel like that's the only thing. But in the morning, we have to leave the house. We have to leave the house at 7 a.m. We can't wake up at 7. We have to leave the house at 7. So I'm about to set my alarm because if I don't, we're going to oversleep and I'm going to wake up at like 12. Now, Leaky actually just been waking up really early. I'm the one that's sleeping in, but it's important that we leave the house at 7. Oh, I'm out of breath. Okay, I'm going to enjoy my ice cream. You don't have an umbrella. It's okay. So I didn't show you guys this, but we got Ari this, or Leaky got it. Leia, let mom see ours. And then we just got Elia's just now. That's why we're here in the rain, because we had to pick it up. This is my old one. We just changed the chain. It's supposed to be in pink, but they ran out of pink, but it's like whatever. Oh, and then we did this. We redid these. Wait, let me fix it. And then we redid these. I think that's all we got. And Ari got that chain a while ago. I think we got it back in October. Yes. You hungry already? Okay, let's go look at food.
When I got my necklace, it was not raining.
Yeah, it wasn't raining. We got jalapenos, curly fries, and an iced coffee that your dad is bringing. I have it. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, thank you. Erze didn't want it. Leia wanted fried rice, and Ari got chicken nuggets and french fries.
That's large. Yeah, well, we put them together anyways.
Well, just here, take your sandwich.
Together.
Oh, whatever. Okay, ready to eat. What time is it? Because we gotta be in Eva Beach by 9:30. 9:30. Okay, we still got time. Is everything good, guys?
Yeah.
Do you like it, Leah? Yeah. You got 2 candies. That's more than 2 candies. Wow, so much candies. Why is Sissy crying? Oh, okay, go play games, okay? Don't only play this Sissy wants to play. Go see what Sissy wants to do. Go.
So making some money, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm trying to make money right now. Subscribe, guys.
What are you doing? Stop.
Recording the love of my life. Oh, tax season. Good taxes. Getting baby stuff. It's a rose theme. You got Play-Doh? Oh, wonderful.